Hey there, my name is Scott, and I'm the owner here at Local Web Consultant LLC. We specialize in helping businesses, just like yours, create a strong online presence that converts visitors into customers. I wanted to reach out to you today to introduce you to our latest product called Website Employee. Imagine having a human-like talking avatar on your website that engages with your visitors, keeps them excited, and helps you sell your products and services even when you're not there. That's what our new AI-powered Website Employee can do for you and your business. Our avatars are customizable, and they can be programmed to say, well, whatever you want. They'll work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Consider them your tireless assistant who's always there to help, even when you're not there. I believe that our Website Employee could be a game changer for your business, so I've decided to give you something very special. Now pay close attention. You're not going to believe what I'm about to offer you. Are you ready? I want to give you a completely free 30-day trial of my brand new service called Website Employee. No kidding. You heard me right. No gimmicks, no tricks, no credit card needed, I promise. I just want you to experience firsthand what a Website Employee can do for your business. Sound good? If so, then all you have to do to get started is click the button below. I think you'll be excited and amazed by what you see. Go ahead and do it now. I don't want to see you miss out on this fantastic opportunity. This is a limited time special offer, and spots are going fast. So if you're ready to experience the power of artificial intelligence combined with the power of internet marketing, then click that button below to start your free trial. Talk soon.